wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bowling shoes for men. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Given the traditional design and contrasting stitching, you might be surprised by the reasonable price tag on the BSI 751. They feature an embossed logo on the side and tongue and a matching set of black laces. They break in quickly and the midsoles are lightweight, however they're not the most durable option. At number 9, you can take your sense of style to the lanes with the Dexter Kory 2. Their grey and white exterior looks more like a skater shoe than anything else, making these a smart choice for young bowlers. They're lightweight and breathable with flat cotton laces, but they don't provide the smoothest slide. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The soft man-made uppers on the KR Strikeforce Flyer make for a comfortable stride all the way to the line, ensuring that nothing interferes with your concentration. They come with number 8 microfiber pads on the soles. They're equipped with perforated toes for breathability, and the soles won't leave any marks. However, they are a tad on the heavy side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling shoes for men, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, anyone with a condition that makes tying laces a challenge will appreciate that the Dexter V strap don't use them at all. Instead, they employ Velcro closures. The footbeds on these are nice and soft, and they slide well too. These have a slightly raised heel and sport a jet black coloring, but they are somewhat stiff at first. Moving up our list to number 6. Available in 2 classic black and white designs, the Brunswick Vapor are a good choice for players looking for something lightweight and soft. The fit runs true to size, and they feature a thick padding around the collar. They're made with synthetic uppers and are a durable construction, however the slide could be better. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Dexter SST-8 Pro utilize a leather toe drag that can stand up to plenty of use and prevent peel back of your slide sole. The rope-style laces tie tightly and stay put, so you shouldn't have to bother with them in the middle of a match. These feature H5 sawtooth heels and are convertible for lefties or righties, but they are a little narrow for some feet. At number 4, while the Linds classic right hand won't immediately feel as comfortable as models made with modern materials, the top grain leather will increasingly form to your foot over time, making them ideal once you've broken them in. They feature antibacterial footbeds and help provide a consistent approach. They're backed by a 1-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The 3G Men's Tour Ultra are made from kangaroo hide, providing a high degree of durability without adding very much weight. The soles, heels and cleats can all be customized to your liking. They boast a replaceable toe cap and Kevlar traction components, and they break in quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling shoes for men, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, ideal for long matches, the KR Strikeforce Aviator offer breathable mesh and a flexibility that makes them comfortable. Their open cell foam footbeds add an extra layer of support. These are a lightweight construction with bubble rubber outsoles and number 8 slide pads. And taking the top spot on our list, the Dexter 9HT feature a molded midsole with a raised shank and heel, providing an old-school feel more so than some popular modern options. Traditional players will appreciate the design and attention to detail. They come with breathable mesh uppers and guards, and they're flexible throughout your stride. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling shoes for men, or simply click beneath this video.